Hey everybody, it's P2E. It's Saturday, November 14th, and tonight I'm starting a new project on Monday at the Federal Building in Philadelphia, and I'm doing tool inventory and maintenance. I'm a Journeyman Electrician, and so I just wanted to go through my tool bag, which is a Klein bag, that I keep everything in, that I carry. So this is kind of like my everyday carry for a commercial industrial electrician. So what I'm just going through is going through all my screwdrivers, just seeing what kind of condition they're in, see if anything needs to be replaced. They get pretty used and abused. My channel locks, actually they're Nipex Cobra pliers, and then I have my dikes and side cutters, chisel, some smaller little channel locks, wire strippers, needle nose, my hammer, a little set of grips for when we're mounting boxes and stuff like that. My level and folding ruler. It's an inside reader. It's the only way to go. And then I make up little kits. This is a set of insulated screwdrivers. This is kind of like a miscellaneous bag with markers, extra pencils, pens, stuff like that. It kind of supplements, the stuff I have here. This is all like punches and tech screwdrivers, just like little kits. Another one's got like my small socket set from 3/8 to 3/4, set of ratcheting wrenches, a ratchet and an extension. Then I'm a huge fan of these Klein canvas bags. These have been around for as long as I've had this setup of bags, probably since I've been in the business since 1994. And what I do is I label each one. M stands for miscellaneous. That would be all like your screw tips, taps, dies, tap handles, stuff like that. W for wrenches. A for Allen keys. D and H is for drills and hole saws, and hole cutters, stuff like that. And then S for sockets. Just a pair of aviation snips. My Fluke digital meter, which is the Fluke T5 1000. This is a NOP solenoid tester, just a cube tap, 16-foot ruler, 2 Fitsalls, a set of cable cutters that'll go, for cutting larger cable, set of crimpers, holding screwdriver, jab saw. Here's my file, a punch, a reamer. It's a Romex stripper. There's a couple bits in there, just a little pouch that I put in with my apron, and then there's my ears and eyes. Just assorted screwdrivers, couple one 6-in-1. The other one here is set up with Robinson tips, which are the square drive, and then a set of Klein screwdrivers, with the cabinet tip, and then there's some with the Phillips. So this is just like I said, just cleaning stuff up, oiling it. I got the WD-40 out, a rag, and just getting everything ready for Monday morning. I know this isn't going to be a video for everybody, but this is part of a setup for a new gig. I pretty much have everything covered. And it also gives me a video document, which is the first time I've kind of really done this, to cover what and all I keep in my, keep with me in tools. But they've served me well through the years. I usually try to purchase the best tools that I can for the job that I do. And, that's just kind of how I roll. I would rather spend once, cry once type of deal. But I don't think I've ever really had anything ever really let me down. I used to be a big Klein fanboy, but then I got turned on to the Nipex line. And then, same thing for Channel Lock, the brand. I just upgraded everything to the Nipex. I still go with the Klein screwdrivers because I actually like the feel of the handles. These are the older plastic or whatever, the 6-in-1s you used to get from Sears, Craftsman. I was a big fan of Craftsman. The typical quintessential Stanley tape measure, I only roll with a 16. I do have a 35, but 16 feet, you know, is more than enough, but I do have a 35 if I do have to bring it in. I got more than doubles. There's some doubles sitting in there. Oh, and there's also my my little square. I got another pair of channels in there, a pair of channel lock side cutters, a pair of Greenlee cable cutters, which are like the decline cable cutters. Like I said, this isn't really for everybody. You know, just figured I'd put something out. It's, you know, a Saturday night. I'm kind of bored. And I got someplace I got to be. Like I said, I'll be starting out at at a job at the federal building. I just recently got blueprinted, or not blueprinted, fingerprinted, and federal background check again to work on the project. So, if you would, guys, like I said, I know it's, you know, nothing really that interesting. But if you would, you know, just drop me a like, throw me a comment. If there's anything that, you know, anything you have questions on, I mean, it's all pretty, it's just basic hand tools, you know, it's not, nothing spectacular, you know. But, as always, I hope everybody's having a good night, taking care, and, you know, let's keep level heads as far as everything that's going on. Everybody's saying that the lockdowns are coming. I really hope not. You know, the holiday seasons are coming amongst us and all that stuff where we should be with family and friends. So, you know, make sure you send them your love and all that stuff. And, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you soon.